I didn't see that. I can't tell the. What do you think I'm doing? But did you see him? We saw the shirt and chugged it.
Hi.
What did you think I was doing? I thought you were just calling me shy, boy. No, dude, I heard it. I said fight. And then when I came, I said,
Just recording. She left me high and dry because I had the hiccups. That means I'm good for gone.
Carrie, you're gonna drop that shit.
No, it's tied around my waist.
It's not that.
I mean my
Wait,
wrist.
can we get that guy to do? No, we need to do some things right now.
I just really would like a nice tofu salad.
Okay, let's go get a tofu salad.
I just want a
Let's go
tofu
get
salad.
a tofu salad.
Or like a nice rice.
Balsamic vinaigrette salad.
Like
Let's go get a balsamic vinaigrette salad.
like a nice rice medley with a nice butternut squash soup.
Let's go get summer squash salad.
But is that weird? Called me weird, but that's what.
Oh my.